No, you're doing only about the evil.
What?
Is that it?
No, what you said to the guy.
Oh, yeah.
Tonight, when you're asleep, I'm going to come into your room and I'm going to kill you.
That's really it. Yeah. Yeah.
The vicious ferret.
Hmm.
Scary ferret.
Just mind the dishwashers.
I don't know. That little cat bell. In case you get lost, is it?
I just thought it was cute.
Well, okay.
So he doesn't get lost. You can hear him jingling as soon as you turn the dishwasher on, then you know to turn it back off and pull it out. Before you go boom.
Sleep.
Nuclear sausages!